We are back with LiTime. We're checking out more of their 48-volt batteries. I fell in love with 48-volt systems because they are amazing. They can output so much and they can handle it. So what I was trying to max out on my 12-volt systems, this can handle with no problem, run well, and run quietly. So I'm checking out all these batteries because there's huge discounts going on right now. These are almost down to $1,000, which is crazy because they're usually priced over $2,000. You can use my promo code AdventureTech to get additional discount. Use the links in the comments and description to get over to this page and get that deal. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Now, this LiTime 48-volt 100 amp hour golf cart Bluetooth lithium iron phosphate battery is built for club cars, easy goes, icons, and Yamaha golf carts. But also you can use this as off-grid battery storage. These are EV grade LFP battery cells, which are amazing. We're going to talk more about that. Essentially, what we got here is a drop-in replacement for your lead-acid battery 48-volt setups that are in your golf carts. You got one lithium iron phosphate battery that is huge. This puts out 5,000 watts of power for your golf cart and a little bit more for inverter setups. This is 80% lighter in weight and 50% smaller in size, and it's lighter, so you're going to be more maneuverable, be less wear and tear on your vehicle. Most importantly, it's a more cost-effective situation because it's going to last a long time for you. It's a very good green energy solution if you care about those types of things. You can actually completely be off-grid with this, charge this with solar panels, and never, ever burn anything. This lithium 48-volt golf cart battery updates to the new Bluetooth technology. This is actually 51.2 volts if you're confused about that. That's what the voltage of the battery often is when it's charged, or even higher than that. But 48-volt systems is what we use these batteries for. Just to clarify a little bit further, you have these 12-volt batteries, 24-volt 36, and 48-volt battery setups. Your system is not always going to be at 48 volts, 12 volt, or something like that. It's actually a range. Even when your battery's completely dead, it's still going to have a high voltage. This is born for club cart, golf cart, and these batteries are perfect. They can withstand a lot of heat, different things like that. And it's compatible for your club car, Easy Go, Icon, and Yamaha. It can easily power your golf cart, even in steep areas. It's got 1C continuous discharge rate, and you can get it 600 amp 1 second peak discharging. That means you get 6 times as much power for a second if you need it. So every time you need that little bit of more power, you got it. So this is a smart battery. This isn't just like lead acid battery setups. Lead acid battery setups, you gotta worry about maintenance and keeping an eye on this. This battery has 20 plus smart features built right in that keep an eye on it. It's gonna help the battery run great and last a very long time for you. And it's equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 so you can monitor it very conveniently. New generation technology supports auto connection, smart control, and real-time monitoring, providing unprecedented user experience. And you can check it 2 different ways. You got the LiTime battery monitor, which is very convenient, or you can use the app. Maximize your battery life and charging efficiency. Low temperature cutoff protections ensure optimal operation in any condition. This low temperature cutoff is one of many types of protections this battery has to help it last a long time for you and be very safe for you. Automatically cut off charging when the cells are too cold, cuts off discharging as well, so it won't damage the battery, guaranteeing maximum battery lifespan and charging efficiency. Drive your golf carts as you desire, and you don't have to worry about checking on all these things. Your battery is going to do it for you. And just to top it off, these are top EV grade prismatic cells. These are grade A prismatic LFP battery cells, provide 5,120 watt hours of green energy and 200 amp BMS built right in. These can withstand larger surges, run longer, and more smoothly. Prismatic shell technology makes the battery more uniform in force area, and it gives it better heat dissipation than similar battery cells. That's why you can get higher output on these. So you got unparalleled self-developed BMS. You got those 20 plus protections that I keep mentioning, not just against low temperatures from over discharging, over current, overheating, short circuits, overcharging. So if you're a little bit new to this type of technology, it gives you that added peace of mind. If you're a professional and you know this technology, you're gonna love these features as well, because think about all the time you're gonna save in energy having all these features built right in. So this battery can run for about 40 to 7 miles is the average when fully charged, allowing you to enjoy double the runtime of AGM batteries. That's pretty cool. You can run longer, it's lighter, so your vehicle is going to be more efficient and maneuver better. This battery is such an improvement in so many different ways. I feel like lead acid batteries are just old news. C fast charging supports 100 amp charging current. Now what that means is you can basically charge this with an EV charger. That 1C charging rate means you could charge this at over 5,000 watts, charging your battery in just 1 hour. I've been dealing with LiTime for a couple years now, and I haven't really had any problems with their batteries. They're highly respected among the community, and so far they are listening to the customers. Universal Energy Solution. These LFP batteries are not just made for golf carts. You can put these in any situation where you need that 48-volt battery storage. The great thing about this is this can put out a lot of power too, so all it's going to do is improve your battery storage situation wherever this battery ends up going. And the reason I'm highlighting these is these huge discounts going on. You can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel Adventure Tech for free by clicking the subscribe button. Also check out my Adventure Tech 2.0 channel where I unbox and test these babies out. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals and be the first to check out the newest updates in Adventure Tech.